how to display the contents. For that, HTML contains different tags. Those are the elements of HTML: heading, paragraph, line break, colors and fonts, links, frames, lists, table, images, and forms. So we are going to check these basic elements. Along with this, some more elements are there. Uh, See, actually, as every language grow up, and for next level, they grow as a different versions. If you talk about Java, then JDK 6, JDK 7, JDK 8, JDK 9, JDK 10, 11, like this, as the versions are there. For HTML also, different versions are there, and current HTML version used is HTML5. Current is the HTML5, but we will start with the HTML's first version, and then once we will understand the basic, then we will check along with these elements which are the new elements added in HTML5. What is the power given to these elements as compared to version 1? What are the new things given to these elements in HTML5? But before going that, we will take a look on these basic elements from the HTML version, first version. Fine. So let begin to go direct heading. Now we are going to try. Sorry, we are going to try headings. Fine. Heading tag. Heading tag is with the H and the number. So you can see H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Like these different headings are there. Okay, these are the different headings. So you can observe the output. I have written the headings in headings word in H1 tag. So you can observe how it displays. Let me write before this normal heading. Yes, are you able to understand the difference?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Great. So as per how much height you want to highlight a particular word, probably the headings, accordingly you can go for heading tags. Now I'm going for second type of heading, H2. So this is the size and boldness. So what is this? See how you observe. Then I go for H3. Let's go for H4. It is very easy to understand, but it is actually an art of how you use this on a web page. Among these different, let me try about changes. Now we are going for H6. Let's try. Is there in H7? Yes, H7 is there. I am writing normal in front of it, so you can observe it. Both are looking same. Whatever we have written in front of S7. Yes, I'm not able to see your S screen, so please someone unmute and say.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So S7 is not there. It doesn't put any effect. 6 heading tags are there: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, H7. I can go for it now like this. H1 is like this. This is H2. This is H3, H4, H5, H6. When you want to more emphasize on contents, accordingly you can use these different types of heading. Again, one more thing you can observe here. Suppose I am typing here without any heading tag or normal text. Even if I am going for the new line, you can observe that contents are on the same line. But heading tag itself go for the new line, and after heading tag contents again will go to the new line. Like see, suppose after heading tag I am writing something, so it will directly go to the next line. These things also you should remember. Accordingly, your contents will be displayed on the screen. Yes, give me reply if you understand the heading tag first element.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So headings are H1 to H6. H1 defines most important heading. H6 defines list. Search engines uses the heading to index the structure and content of your web page. This is very important point you have to remember. I repeat again. Search engines uses the headings to index the structure and content of web pages. Now, what this index is? Have you heard about search engine optimization? SEO? Have you heard about SEO? Anyone? I'm talking about, just a minute. I'm talking about search engine optimization, which is in short form called as SEO. Anyone aware about this term SEO? If yes, can you tell me what is the meaning of SEO? Yes, Ujjwal, do you have any idea about search engine optimization? Okay, let me share what it is. See, always whatever we want to search, what we do, we open the Google page, typing, okay, correct, Ujjwal, searching words or pages faster. So see, we type to search something in the Google text box, and Google brings us within a fraction of second different links on which we will get the contents what we want. So just imagine how many millions of web pages will be there, even though millions of websites, and in those websites again lot of pages. So just imagine for searching on that a tremendous count of web pages. From that, web search engine has to search and to bring the proper content, and that is also within a fraction of seconds. So how it is possible? If you remember in data structure, you might have learned the index concept, indexing for fast search. Yes, anyone able to index for searching? I'm talking about the now searching algorithm. Any algorithm, any algorithm you learn in data structure, index-based search. Do you remember indexed sequential search? Linear, but that index-based, correct? Index-based means even though see whenever we go to any book, first index is there and then the contents are there. What is the use of index? Can anyone tell me in the book? Why index is there? What is the use?
for
Yes.
for accessing the data in less time.
Perfect, perfect. To directly go to that page, to access that page fast, so that when we will get the page number in the index, we can directly go. So the same thing is here. Google do the indexing of different pages, and because of that indexing, from that millions of web pages, able search Google search engine able to search that fast. Now, what search engine optimization is? We should give in our web page we should help to that search engine such that that search engine can index our page. So if our page will index properly, definitely search engine will reach to us fast. So heading tags, what search engine optimization does? Google open the pages, Google open the pages, and one of the element it search is heading tags, and according to the heading, that page is indexed. So I hope not only in displaying different sites, but very important use of heading tag is it is useful for indexing to the search engine, so that your website will come first or on the top when someone will search for the content. Obviously every website owner will want that whenever anyone search, his or her website should be shown by the Google at the first. So for that, one clue is that indexing, and for that heading tag is there. Again, users skim your pages by its heading. It is important to use heading to show document structure. See, generally, as I shown you in the first session itself, that uh, there are 2-3 rounds of search. First time, whenever user search, it just go to the headings. Then whenever he will come across any heading which is interesting, then it will go to the detail data, that the text under that heading. So headings are important to catch the user's attention. For that purpose, headings will be used. So I hope this is clear to you. Heading, no any problem, and you will effectively use this heading. Yes.